Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss chapter number 4, linear equation. Linear equation. What is linear equation? If an equation represent a straight line, that is called a linear equation. Okay, it means linear means in one variable ax plus b equal 0, where value of a not equal 0, a and b are real numbers. Okay, now in this chapter we will discuss about linear equation, compare the ratio of coefficient, nature of lines, and algebraic interpretation. Okay, now if a, b, and c are real numbers, then linear equation with two variables x and y can be expressed in a general form. It means linear equation with two variable. First, ax plus by plus c equal 0, where a b not equal 0. Okay, then pair of linear equation with two variable. First pair a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0. Second pair a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. Important identity for this chapter means these two equations, two linear equations for two variable are given. We find out, we compare the ratio of their coefficient, we calculate nature of lines and algebraic interpretation. Okay, now here according to these two variables, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. Value of a1 upon a2, a1 upon a2, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 are not equal. First condition is a value of a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 are not equal, then nature of line is a intersecting line. These lines are called a intersecting line. Okay, intersecting lines intersect each other. Okay, now unique solution, algebraic interpretation, their solution will be unique. Okay, second condition, value of a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. First two values are equal, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 are equal, but value of c1 upon c2 are not equal. Then lines are parallel lines, lines or are parallel, and solution no solution. Okay, algebraic expression no solution. First condition, a1 upon a2 not equal b1 upon b2, intersecting line, unique solution. Second condition, a1 upon a2 b1 upon b2 but not equal c1 upon c2, parallel line, no solution. And third important identity, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2, coincident lines and many solution and infinitely. Okay, many solution and infinitely. Clear? Now based question on these identities. First question, on comparing the ratio a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2, find out whether pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Consistent or inconsistent. Now, first part, 2x minus 3y equal 8, comma 4x minus 6y equal 9. These two equations are given. 2x minus 3y equal 8, 4x minus 6y equal 9. Here value of a1 is 2, value of b1 is -3, value of a1 is 2, value of b1 is -3, and value of c1 is 8. Okay, and value of a2 is 4, value of b2 is -6, value of c2 is 9. Okay, now according to identity, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Okay, put here value of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. a1 upon a2 means 2 upon 4, 2 upon 4. b1 upon b2 -3 upon -6, -3 upon -6. c1 upon c2 8 upon 9, 8 upon 9. Okay, cancel out 1 upon 2, cancel out 1 upon 2, and 8 upon 9 as it is. First two values are equal, but third one is not equal. So condition a1 upon a2 equal b1 upon b2, not equal c1 upon c2, not equal c1 upon c2, means second condition and linear pair have no solution or inconsistent. No solution means inconsistent. Okay, second and third part similar, discuss fourth part. 4 upon 3x plus 2y equal 8, 2x plus 3y equal 12. Value of a1, here first taking 3 is LCM, so 4x, 3 into 2 6y, 8 into 3 24, equal 2x plus 3y equal 12. Okay, now value of a1 is 4, value of b1 is 6, value of c1 is 24. Here value of a1 a2 2, value of b2 3, value of c2 is 12. Now a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Okay, putting their values 4 upon 2, 4 upon 2, b1 upon b2 6 upon 3, 6 upon 3, c1 upon c2 24 upon 12. Cancel out 2 upon 1, 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 2 upon 1. All values are equal. Therefore, a1 upon a2 equal b1 upon b2 equal c1 upon c2. It means linear pair have many solution or consistent. Many solution means consistent. No solution means inconsistent. Okay, understood? Next. Question number second, very important question. Okay, on point of view, on exam point of view, important question, 6 marks. Okay, now solve the following pairs of linear equations graphically method and find nature of the solution. Linear equation by graphically method solve and nature of solution. Okay, first we calculate nature of solution. Nature of solution means first part given x plus y equal 3, 3x minus 2y equal 4. First equation and second equation. By first equation value of a1 is 1, b1 is 1, c1 is 3. By second equation value of a2 is 3, b2 is minus 2, and c2 is 4. Okay, now value of a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Putting their values, a1 upon a2 1 upon 3, b1 upon b2 1 upon minus 2, c1 upon c2 3 upon 4. All values are not equal. a1 upon a2 not equal b1 upon b2 not equal c1 upon c2. Therefore, intersecting lines and unique solution. Intersecting lines and unique solution. Calculate nature and solve by graphically. Okay, solve by graphically method. So solving by first equation, x plus y equal 3, x plus y equal 3. Okay, we calculate, first we calculate here value of x or y, anyone. So we calculate value of x, it means We calculate value of x. X plus y equal 3, equation first. Here we calculate value of x, 3 minus y. 3 minus a y. Okay, x equal 3 minus a y. Put here value of y, we get value of a x. Okay, x or y. Minimum 2 values, maximum 3 or 4, as your choice. X equal 3 minus y. Put here y equal 0. Put here y equal 0. So mention y equal 0. So x equal 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 means 3. Put here y equal 0. Then we get x equal 3. Y equal 0. Then we get x equal 3. Put here x equal y equal 1. Y equal 1. So y equal 1. So 3 minus 1, 2. X equal 2. Put here y equal 1, we get x equal 2. Put here y equal 2, y equal 2. So 3 minus 2, 1, x equal 1. Okay, now by first equation we get this table. By second equation is given 3x minus 2y equal 4. 3x minus 2y equal 4. We calculate here value of x. So 3x equal 4 plus 2y. 2y transferring other side, sign change, 4 plus 2y. Calculate value of x, 4 plus 2y divided by 3. 4 plus 2y divided by 3. Now here we put value of y, then we get value of x. Okay, x or y. First here we put value of y equal 1. Put y equal 1. So put y equal 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 upon 3, 2. It means we get x equal 2. Put here value of y equal minus 2. Y equal minus 2. Y equal minus 2. Then minus 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. 0 divided by 3, 0. Then we get x equal 0. Put here y equal minus 5. Y equal minus 5. Minus 5 into 2, minus 10. Minus 10 plus 4, minus 14. Sorry, minus 10 and plus 4. Minus 6. Minus 6 divided by 3. Minus 6 divided by 3. It means 5 to 10 minus 2. It means minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Put here any values of y. Put here also 2, 3, 4 as your choice. Okay, first again important question. So again we discuss x plus y equal 3. So by first equation value of x equal 3 minus y. Here we put value of y, then we get value of x. Here we put y equal 0, then we get x equal 3, y equal 1, x equal 2, y equal 2, x equal 1. By second equation value of x, 3x equal 4 plus 2y, x equal 4 plus 2y divided by 3. Put here value of y, 1 minus 2 minus 5, then x equal 2, 0, minus 2. Okay, now these two equations are drawn on graphically design. Okay, now by first equation x equal 3 where y equal 0. First we draw x axis and a y axis. X axis and y axis. Okay, x axis and y axis. X axis and y axis intersecting each other point is called intersecting point or origin point, where coordinate of x is 0 and coordinate of y is also 0. Okay, now on 0, right side of 0 values of x axis is positive, on left side of 0, values of x-axis will be negative. Upper side y-axis positive, lower side y-axis negative. It means x-axis positive. X dash, here we mention x dash. X dash means negative x-axis. Y-axis and y dash means negative y-axis. Okay. According to first equation, x equal 3 where y equal 0. X equal plus 3, x equal plus 3, y equal 0 here. So first coordinate mention. Okay. X equal 3, y equal 0. Second coordinate, x equal 2 where y equal 1. X equal positive 2, y equal 1. It means here y equal 1, x equal 2. Now second coordinate. Third coordinate, x equal 1, x equal 1, y equal 2, y equal 2, y equal 2, x equal 1. Okay. Now clear? These three coordinate join with each other with straight line, help of a scale. With help of a scale. Okay, join straight line. Now join these 3 points, these 3 coordinates. Always we get a straight line. Okay. All coordinates join with a straight line. If all coordinate not join with a straight line, then question is wrong. If all coordinate join with a straight line, then question is right. Okay, always getting straight line, not zigzag. Okay, now according to second equation, x equal 2 where y equal 1. X equal 2 where y equal 1. Same coordinate, so mention double. X equal 0, y equal minus 2. X equal 0 here, y equal minus 2 means here. Y equal minus 2. X equal minus 2, y equal minus 5. X equal minus 2, y equal minus 5. X equal minus 2, y equal minus 5 here. Okay, now okay, join these 3 with a straight line. With a straight line. Okay, now getting coordinate. Coordinate is first mention x, so 2, 1. Coordinate is 2, 1. First mention x axis, second mention y axis. On x axis 2, on y axis 1. Therefore coordinate is 2, 1 is a answer. Okay, and measurement for graphical design. Distance will be same. On graph paper, one box equal 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5. Same distance taking. Okay. So measurement means on x-axis we taking one box equal 1 centimeter na, difference 1. So write here measurement on x-axis one box equal 1 centimeter. On y-axis one box equal 1 centimeter. Okay, same na, here we difference, we taking same difference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, clear? Next question. second and third part similar, second and third part similar. Try yourself. Again this question repeat again. It means x plus y equal 3, 3x minus 2y equal 4. By first equation we calculate x equal 3 minus y, put here value of y, then we get x. Okay, now by second equation 3x equal 4 plus 2y, 3x equal 4 plus 2y, x equal 4 plus 2y divided by 3. Now x, put here value of y, then we get value of x. Okay, on these two boxes mention on graphical design x equal 3 where y is 0, x equal 3 y equal 0. Second 2 and 1, x equal 2 y equal 1, x equal 2 y equal 1, x equal 1 y equal 2, x equal 1 y equal 2. These three coordinate join with a straight line with the help of a scale, with the help of a scale. Okay, now by second equation 2 1 2 1 0 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5. Okay, join with the straight line and intersecting point is a 2 and a 1 is a answer. X equal 2 and y x equal 1 is answer. Okay student, thanks.